So hey everybody, this is going to be a hair review slash get ready with me type of video. This hair is from Ali Sugar on AliExpress, and I'm super excited because I got some unprocessed Cambodian hair from them, and it is super smooth, and I love the quality of this hair. Like, it does not feel like the typical AliExpress hair. You guys know what I'm talking about. It feels like Barbie hair. This does not feel like Barbie hair whatsoever. It's very pretty. I did go long this time because it's been super long since I've actually done like really long hair. So I got a 13x4 frontal, and then just so you guys can see, like, all the way around, this is the frontal right here. I have a band in because I'm trying not to glue my wigs down so much, so it is kind of like pulling my frontal to the back, so I'm gonna have to loosen up my band. But I am in the middle of styling it, and also when it came to me, I had to pluck the hell out of it. Like, you're gonna have to do a lot of work with their frontals. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but you can customize the frontal how you want it. I will insert pictures somewhere on the screen right now so you guys can see how it looked before and then how it looked after I applied it. I am gonna move closer so you guys can see the hairline. So just so you guys can see, I did pluck a lot of the hair, and again, the frontal is not all the way on because I have a band in, and like I said, I'm trying not to glue my wigs down so much. So this is another part of it, and for the most part it's super secure if you just put a band in. So yeah, just so you guys can see, literally. Another thing is, I have not restyled this hair whatsoever. This is the original texture, so it came to me straight. As you guys can see, the hair is different colors. Typically with a more luxury hair brand or whatever, you will see that in the hair, that the hair is different colors when it moves toward the end. So that just lets me know that this hair is actually human hair, for one. And the lengths came out really gorgeous. I have not seen hair this long in a minute that is actually thick from root to tip with the longer textures, with the longer lengths. A pro that I do have about this hair is that it does not shade whatsoever. This is the hair. I got a 26, 24, 22, and then an 18-inch frontal, and everything just, it blends perfectly. Again, I have not styled this hair at all. This is just me putting the wig together, and I don't have to even restyle. So I'm excited about that. But I am going to lay this frontal down, so let's get started. Other than that, the hair quality is amazing. No shedding, no tangling. It is super soft. The different colors in the hair as it goes to the ends of the hair lets me know that this is human hair and it has not been colored, because normally if a hair has been colored, then it would just be like dark brown or almost black all the way through. But because this has so many different tones, especially toward the bottom, I know that this hair has not been processed, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that it still looks super natural, that it's not like a lot of hair. However, if you are into a lot of hair, you will need more than 3 bundles, and this is literally all 3 bundles in here, and the frontal, and I still feel like it's really super natural if you are going to wear it straight. Now, if you are going to wear it straight and you like a lot of hair, you do need more than 1 bundle. But I think maybe if this was curled, it would come out to be a little bit bigger. So I am thinking I'm going to take this scarf off, and let's see what it's giving us. Okay, so yes, it laid down flat. Thank you, Jesus. I don't have any of those little flyaways anymore. I do, but I don't. I am going to, basically I need to like really sit down and style this unit, but I wanted to come and do the review for you guys because I actually do really like this hair. Yeah, so this needs to be laid down somewhere in the back, but I'm not going to bore you guys with that. So again, I just wanted to come and review this. I am hating the way this is sticking up. So I think the frontal definitely needs some work when you get it, but the hair texture and the quality is absolutely amazing. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.